Katherine, and we're in Art Skoolie. I have a small web shop where I sell my self-published children's books. And so when I mail the stuff out, I normally would draw on the bubble mailer or put a sticker, but I found some really good boxes that are even better to ship my stuff out in. And so I thought, let's make a stamp so we can kind of jazz up the boxes a little bit. So of course there's a lot of different ways to make a stamp. You could do a wood block, you could do a lino cut, you could even build it up with layers of fun foam, but I have access to a laser cutter. So what I'm going to do is create a digital illustration, cut it out on the laser cutter, and then see if it works as a stamp. So let's go see. Here goes. I just love that squeegee sound from the brayer. It worked! So you can see it worked. Now I'm going to be putting an address label in that spot, so I could probably cut that part out of the stamp in the future, but I also know it's going to be covered. But these boxes are absolutely the perfect size and shape for my books, which is exciting because now they get there even safer. And when you get your box, you could color it in or paint it in, and it's just a nice little pizza-sized box, which I really enjoy. So thanks for making a stamp with me. I'm really excited to see how many different ways I can mix the digital and the traditional and have some fun. So thanks for joining me. Remember, you are always welcome on board the bus. Bye.